Evening, guys. We're live at 10:33 p.m. Running a mini to close for Rich's Leia combat poncho, as you can see there. I got 20 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our mini winners. Excuse me there. First, second, third win spots in the main. Bonus prize for last place. That's dope. I'm going to paste our list in here. We do have 20 entries, which is awesome, because that's how many we're supposed to have. Going to roll the dice, see how many rounds. Got to get a 5 or better. And we did. We got a 7. So we are good to go. Good luck as we get down to business. Here we go. Greg takes round 1. Heath 2. Troy in the top spot for round 3. Heath again on top in round 4. Greg round 5. CJ takes the next to last round, round 6, with number 13, bringing us, as always, to the last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go, and our winners are Tyler, and Salvador, with a bonus for CJ. Here's the verification. FMNACH. There we have it. Tyler, and Salvador win our main spots. I am done at 10:35. Blammo. There you have it. 10:35. 10:35. One last time, there's the result. Congrats to our winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks. Later.